Hello and welcome to Relocation Specialist Software. Today we're going to look at the new Start an Outgoing Referral link. It's one of the express links that was introduced in February of this year. And to start an outgoing referral, we just click the link for Start a New Outgoing Referral, and that opens a form. Now this form will be filled out and then submitted. We'll go through each of the sections one at a time. The first section is the receiving broker. Now, because this is an outgoing referral, we can either fill in the information manually or we can look it up from brokers using ReloSpec, for example. So I'm going to click brokers, look up from brokers using ReloSpec. I'm going to say I'm looking for somebody that's in Omaha. And when I do that, there are a number of people. I'll just click number 5 for the demo database, click the button, and it copies the information into the contact section. Very similar to how it works when you're doing an add new in the client list. Now, because it's an outgoing, we'll have a referring agent. Again, I could type it in manually if I wanted, or I can just select one. And let's go with David Apple. And by clicking the button, it copies David's information into the form. At this point, we want to select whether it's a buyer or a seller, and then we would put in the first and last name of the client, and you can see the other fields that can be filled in. None of them beyond the buyer, seller, or the client last name are required. So we can fill out as needed and any comments that we want to add. And at that point, we're ready to look at the action plan to be run and then submitted. Now, notice that the default action plan for the outgoing form is Express Outgoing. Now, if you click the drop list, you can see all of the other action plans that you already have. They're all listed here, and you can select any of the ones that you want. So select the action plan that you want and click Submit. When I do that, all of the things that you're used to doing separately are done for you. It selects the action plan, it creates the autopilots, it sends the autopilots for you, and then if this happens to be going to another broker that's also using ReloSpec, it will send that record over to their database. So all we do is click All Done and close the window, and we're back at the main menu page. So the Express link does all the things that you're used to doing separately. Think of it as an express train. I think I've used that example before, but it bypasses all the stops that you're used to making and able to get you to that final destination as quickly as possible. Well, I hope that you enjoy the new Express links. That's the outgoing referral. You might check some of the other videos for instruction on the other links. Thanks and have a great day.